part of this is to promote the Belgian investors to go and invest in Kenya. And for them to do that, they would wish to know how is the investment climate in Kenya. And before that, what are the investment opportunities that are in Kenya? And insofar as Belgium and Kenya is concerned, we'll be telling them these are the investment opportunities, and if they have any challenges, they will tell us, they will let us know, and what are the new developments to promote investment. At the moment, we wish, because Belgium exports machinery, it also exports drugs, if you will, and we want also to see more of Kenyan exports flowing into this side, because at the moment, there's tea, there's coffee. We keep on telling them coffee and tea are the best in the world. So over and above that, there are other things that they can export. Chief among them is, for example, the mango. The mangoes, we are talking about also, apart from mangoes, I think the other, of course, agricultural products that we can export here. And I think that is the point we want to emphasize.